Hello and welcome to my channel and welcome to a birthday makeup look. My birthday was January 2nd and this is the look that I wore. My aunt saw this makeup on and requested that I do a video on it. So this one is actually for her. I am using the Natasha Denona Roxa palette. Again, I love this palette and I think it's so perfect for a good birthday look and for this time of the year in general. I've been having fun with it right now. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So I primed my eyelids with the Ulta Beauty matte eye primer and then I set it with the Ulta Beauty Tea Almighty. It's the correcting face powder. I absolutely love this combination. And Ulta is not an expensive brand at all, so I absolutely just love this for setting the eyes. I'm going to go in with the Roxa palette, and I'm actually going to start with a tapered brush in with the shade Sweet Pea. I want to start packing that on my eyelid. Really just getting that color down. And from there, I'm going to actually just take a fluffy brush and just dip a little bit back into it and start blending it out. The shade is going all over the crease and the lid. I love the blend of that and the ease of blend. Again, I love this palette. It's probably one of my favorite palettes of 2024, or it is. And I love these tones on myself. I'm going to take the shade Dixie on my ring finger and just pack that all over my eyelid. This is a very simple yet super fun kind of a look. After that, I'm going to go in with a violet based eyeliner. I'm just going to take the one in my project pan here and I'm going to just pack that into my lash line. I cannot do this on camera very well, but I'm just going to line my lash line with that. This step is optional. I don't really like this step on myself, but this is just a way for me to use this eyeshadow. So I'm going to have to probably do this part off camera because this is not working very well on camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, I did get that on my upper lash line, finally. I hate doing lash line, but I just felt like the look needed this. This is the exact look I did wear on my birthday. So for the lower lash line, I'm actually going to take that shade again and just pack it on my lower lash line, just close to the lash line. I'm just taking very small strokes and going in back to the Roxa palette with just a tapered brush here, going back into the shade Sweet Pea, and I am just gonna smudge that out, smoke that out a little bit. And with that same brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Dixie and just highlight my inner corner. I actually like to take a concealer, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way one, and then I'll pack that underneath my under eyes, but then I'll kind of take it and shape it here. Same thing on the other side. Take it, shape it, take a damp sponge. I'm just using the Badescu spray and blend the concealer out. But as I am blending it out, I'm actually taking this sponge and shaping it upwards. And it kind of helps to find the shape. If you want a little bit more of a sharp line, I would take a flat brush and just shape the concealer that way. But because I'm not going for a super sharp line, I'm just wanting to clean up and shape out. I'm just using this to kind of smooth the lines a little bit and make it not so messy looking, so to speak. And then with whatever's left on my initial blending brush, I'll go ahead and just smooth that line out a little bit and just kind of go back and forth on my eyes. But I think I'm going to do foundation, get the rest of my face makeup on, and I will come back. I have my foundation on, but before I went any further, I did pick this Tower 28 blush up at Sephora as just one of my birthday gifts. My husband gave me a gift card, so he let me go shopping for makeup, but I got the shade Party Hour, and I just think it would go so well with this look. So yeah, I feel like this tone will go so perfect with this look, so I'm excited to try it on camera. I don't have too many purple based blushes in my collection. I don't have anything else on besides foundation and concealer, but it's really pretty. Actually, yeah, that goes perfect with this eye look, and it's not too pigmented, which is nice. I like a blush that you can build up. I feel like you can get way too much way too quick. That's so beautiful. It's got just like a slight dew to it. I don't, other than skincare, I don't have any like glowy products or anything underneath, just a basic foundation concealer. I did not try too hard, but that's really pretty. I've heard good things about these blushes. This is the first time trying this brand, but it has been on my radar to try that. Yeah, that goes stunning. Okay, so if I would have had this the day I wore this birthday makeup, this blush would have been on my cheeks with this. It goes so perfect with this palette. I can't believe it. That's the look all done. I did get the Makeup by Mario little lip kit for the Sephora birthday gift, and I do have this on my lips. I feel like it goes really nicely with the look. But yeah, I love this look. I think it's perfect for an easy birthday look, something that was easy to just put together. But yeah, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.